In Chinese medicine, wood is the element that governs our ability to be powerful, flexible, and resilient. Wood governs the organs of the liver and the gallbladder, and it's related to the season of spring, the colour green, and the emotion of anger. If our wood element is blocked, we can feel frustrated, irritable, resentful, jealous, and angry. But when we're in balance, the way is clear for us to experience kindness, compassion, generosity, creativity, initiative, good judgment, good decision making, and the ability to see our way forwards. In order to bring in these qualities, it's important for us to balance strength, stamina, and groundedness with an ability to be flexible and flowing. In our practice today, we will call upon the qualities of two different types of trees to help inspire us to greater strength and flexibility. The strong, sturdy tree, such as an oak or giant redwood or a river red gum, to bring about the feeling of being grounded, stable, calm, and solid. And the light, bending and flexible tree like the palm, bamboo or willow, which will help us to develop flexibility, direction, choices and purpose. Join me today in this mini Qigong-Yoga fusion practice to bring about more strength and flexibility. So come to a comfortable sitting position, whether it's on the ground or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Relax your body, take a few breaths and bring your attention within. Feeling your weight on the ground or the chair. Allow your weight to sink down into your sit bones, into your feet and legs. Breathe and feel the pull of gravity holding you securely to the earth. Bring into your mind the image of a giant tree. And like that tree, imagine sending roots deep down into the earth, curling down through the layers of rock and soil, and fixing into the earth like an anchor. Allow yourself to feel anchored to the ground, bringing the qualities of stability and calm and strength into your being. Now bring your hands over your liver, just underneath the right rib cage. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, exhale with a hum until all the air is gone. Breathing in deeply, and as you exhale, hum the breath out. Breathing in and breathing out, making that lovely, gentle humming sound. Now release your hands down by the side of your body. As you breathe in, raise one arm, and as you breathe out, reach over to the side. Breathing in to come back, and out to return the hand to the side. Breathe in, raise the other arm. Breathe out, reaching over just to your capacity. Breathe in and out, release the hand down. In order to cultivate the qualities of creativity, initiative, good judgment, and decision making, we also need to develop flexibility, the ability to change when necessary, and to be able to see clearly from several different viewpoints. Breathing in, reach your arms up, and as you breathe out, twist and look to the side. Breathing in, bring your arms up, and breathing out, twist and look to the other side. As you turn your head to each side, really focus with your eyes taking in everything you see as you turn from side to side. And now release your arms down and come onto all fours. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, turn to the side, looking over your shoulder as if you're trying to look at your tail. Breathe into the center and out to the side. Feel your hip reaching up towards your shoulder as you turn your head, creating a little C curve in your spine as you twist. Now bring your knees together and take your feet over to one side, sitting back towards your heels. Breathe in as you come up, swish your feet to the other side and sit back, just as far as you are able. Breathing in as you come up and out as you sit back diagonally towards your heels. Feel this nice sensation of swishing your feet from side to side. And then relax back. Coming up onto your knees now and take your leg out to the side. You can turn your toe out or have it pointing forwards, whatever's more comfortable. Breathe in, raise your arm up, and breathe out, slide your other hand down your leg, stretching sideways over the leg without any force, sweeping your arm forwards and then reaching up again. Exhale as you sweep forwards and down, and inhale as you reach up. Feel this beautiful movement down the side body, really working on the gallbladder meridian and the muscles and fascia of the lateral line. Let's go on to the other side now. Taking the other leg out, breathing in and raising your arm, exhaling and sliding down that leg just as far as is comfortable for you, sweeping forward and up again. Breathing out as you release down and in as you reach up to the sky. Now let's come up to standing. Shaking it out, promoting flexibility in the fascia, the connective tissue, the tendons and ligaments. These are the tissues of the wood element, and they can get quite dry and rigid. So shaking it out helps to make them supple and resilient. Shaking any way you choose. You can raise your arms in the air. You can twist and spiral around. Shaking out the legs if you like. Having a good shake. And then come to stillness with your hands in front of you. Now stepping your feet out wide, bend your knees so that they go out in line with your toes and rest your elbows on your thighs. Sway your hips from side to side, easing out the hip joints. Just be gentle here if you're feeling a little stiff. Place one hand on the thigh and lift your chest and head to look the other way, still shifting from side to side to ease out those hip joints. And now place the other hand on the thigh, press into the thighs, you lift your chest. And then coming back to center, see if you can come up a little bit higher perhaps, or even take your hands away completely, building strength in the muscles and also your ability to maintain focus. And then straightening your legs and coming back to center. Let's do Leopard Qigong for the wood element. Breathing in and raise your arms slowly in front of you and breathe out, pressing down as if on a coiled spring. Breathe in, place one hand over the other, and as you breathe out, step to the side, twisting behind you. Coming back, take another deep in-breath as you reach up over your ear, pressing up to the sky, and if you can, a little twist upwards. Exhaling, release the arms down in front of you, and coming back to the other side. Stepping out, reaching behind you, coming back to center. Deep breath in, and as you push up, hold the breath if you can. And then exhale, sweeping your arms down in front of you and back to the starting position. In Leopard Qigong, the lower body is strongly rooted like an oak tree, helping us to be more grounded, stable and solid. While the upper body is bending and flexible, like a willow or bamboo, facilitating a way of being that includes purpose, direction, flexibility, and choices. In Leopard, we side bend and twist deeply, massaging the liver, improving the liver's many physical functions. The liver and gallbladder meridians are stimulated, which helps to release blocked anger and frustration and lead to creativity, clarity, and focus. And now as you breathe in, raise your arms above your head. And as you breathe out, draw the palms down through the center line. Breathe in, reaching up, and breathing out, settling the energy down into the lower belly. Letting go of the emotions of anger, frustration, resentment, and bringing in the qualities of compassion, forgiveness, and generosity. Closing your practice with a few minutes, gently breathing and noticing the effects on your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for your practice today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below so that we know which videos you're enjoying and we can make more of them for you. Please subscribe and click the bell notification. We put out content every week, so by subscribing, you'll be sure not to miss any videos.